All right, so we're gonna start off here with changing out this faucet and that drain, which is bow, that drain right there. So you see these nasty ass green threading right here? I put a little bit of WD-40 on this because it's coming out. This faucet is gonna come out for good. So we'll just spray a little bit on here to lubricate it so that we can take these white little mounting nuts off. And we'll take off our water lines first, our supply lines, and then we'll be able to take off our mounting nuts. So let's go ahead and do that. So now, got a regular wrench and gotta unscrew it. There we go. Alright, so now we got this off. Now we're taking off our wire nuts, or excuse me, our mounting nuts finally. So this is where we spray the WD-40 so it can make it easier to back these nuts out. Oh yeah. Alright, cool. So now we're able to get this out of the way. All right. Now we got these guys with these nuts. So I'm going to put this on, make sure that it's on there all the way, nice and clean, just like that. Now we're going to go under, put these guys on. Nice and tight, let's make sure it's good up above. Now, I'm going to put on these guys. That's good. Now we got to take off the drain. So long. Anyways, now we gotta take this nut off up here. Real quick. All right, so we got a drain like this. This is our piece right here. We're gonna wanna put some Teflon tape right here And push this up from underneath and screw it down. Okay, now gotta put this right through here and screw this down. Let me take this blue thing off. Alright, so now make sure that's pointing towards the sink or towards the mirror. And boom. Now we have one piece. It wants to go right there. It goes up and down. Excellent. Now, to make sure, we get our piece right here. When you get this to click on the bottom of it. So we got that now, and we're going to test our water. Make sure it holds. Make sure it drains. All right. All right, brother. Whoa!